Welcome to Stormwater Drainage Solutions, and in today's video we're going to be showing you how to maintenance your French drain man drainage system. Now, whether you have a downspout system, catch basins, or a French drain, this video is going to be covering all of those. So basically, the French drain man corrugated system is the best yard drainage system on the market. I can't find anything better. So we have opted to really switch over to using his products and his pipe because they are far superior than anything that we can find. So this here is right after a rain event. We're going to go ahead and we're going to check the discharge. Your discharge is very important. You want to make sure that there's no debris or grass or anything like that growing over the discharge end. Also check down in it to make sure that nothing is gathered there. Now, if you have leaf filters on your downspouts, you're going to go ahead and take the trapdoor off and you're going to check it for debris. Any large debris, such as leaves, pine needles, tree seeds, sticks, all of that makes it down the downspout is going to land in this leaf filter. These leaf filters are amazing. We put these on all of our downspout systems, our corrugated downspout systems now. If you get a French drain man system from us, you're getting a leaf filter with it. That's just the way we roll. These leaf filters act not only as a leaf filter, but they are also a clean out and an access point to your system. Now, if your system has sediment traps, you're going to pop the lid off of that. You're going to check the trap and see how much sand or shingle gravel has gathered in there. If there's not a whole lot, it's no worries, just leave it be. If there's a decent amount in there, go ahead and just take a shop vacuum it out, and you're done. It's really that simple. Now here's another leaf filter. This one isn't going to have any debris in it because it's a little bit further away from the tree. So really not much debris in there, but it still serves as another access point into your system. Here's another sediment trap. This one virtually has no sediment in it, so not going to really worry about this one. Going to go ahead and just close that back up. Now, depending on the system, sometimes we will put sediment traps, sometimes we won't. It really depends on how much fall we can get, and it also depends on a few other factors, such as how old your roof is and how far that line is going to be discharging, as well as how many laterals are going to be going into that line. So there's a few factors that play a role. Now, if you have a French drain man French drain, the way we design them is a totally enclosed system. You're not going to have to worry about any kind of maintenance with our French drains. So basically, we're going to dig a trench. We're going to remove all the material and dirt out of that trench. We're going to line it with a geotextile filter fabric that is designed for drainage. We then put the French drain man slotted high octane pipe at the bottom of that trench. That way we can collect as much water as possible. We then fill it with stone and we stitch up the fabric. That way it is an enclosed system, so no debris, dirt, sediment, anything like that can get into this drain. The only thing that's getting in this drain is water. Now, if you have a closed French drain, sod will be going back on the top of this French drain. The roots will grow in to the fabric, and that will help allow water to get into your French drain quicker. But here's an example right here. I'm running a hose. I'm going to run this garden hose on this drain for a while so you guys can see. The water goes right through the fabric we use. If you use the wrong type of fabric, then of course it is not going to take in water like this. You have to use the correct type of fabric. There are loads of these fabrics on the market, so you want to make sure that you are using the correct one, because if not, you are going to have issues. Now I'm going to go ahead and walk to the discharge end here. We have a pretty good downhill slope, so you're going to see the water pouring out of our discharge end here. And there you have it. It's as simple as that. Now on the French drains, you want to go ahead and just check inside the discharge end just to make sure that no debris or anything made it in there. But like I said earlier, your French drain is an enclosed system, so no debris should be making it in there as long as the system was built right. It really is a shame how corrugated pipe has gotten such a bad name over the years due to poor install practices and quality of materials. As you can see, your typical big box store corrugated pipe crushes down very easily, and that's part of the problem. Now, the French drain man pipe does not have this issue. The sidewall thickness on both the solid and perforated versions of this pipe are very heavy duty and thick. Now, I know a video does not do it justice. You actually have to feel these pipes for yourself to understand the full quality of the pipe. Now, the perforated version has slots 360 degrees around the entire pipe, allowing for the maximum flow of water and air in the dry season, which is very important. If installed correctly with high quality materials, corrugated pipe is an excellent choice for yard drainage applications. If you enjoyed this video, give us a like. It really supports us. It helps the channel out. And if you live in the Tampa Bay area and you want a French Drain Man system installed around your property, give us a call at 813-614-3456. We can come out there and help design a system that fits your needs. And until next time, this is SWDS signing off.